Hey everybody, it's Julie Quinn. Listen, I'm creating this little video tutorial to show you how I left you feedback on your second essay, your essays 2A and 2B. So I'm in my student view right now, just like you would be if you've opened up Canvas and click on grades. All right. So I want you to do more than just reading the actual grade. You can see your score here, but there's a lot of feedback. And so go ahead and maybe click on the title. And you'll see the file that you uploaded, and over here on the right-hand side, you'll see View Feedback. At the top, you see your grade and Show Rubric. Click View Feedback first, because for many of you, you'll notice I actually left notes in a slightly different way this time. I left notes in the margins. Okay, so go through each line and leave a note. Once in a while, I left comments like right here where I said see attached files, and then you can see like the notes. You may see a comment, and you'll notice that let me move this over a little bit. In here, I left a student an audio file attachment. For a few students, I left video attachments. And so if you don't see your comments in those little bubbles, maybe I left you a video attachment. So please review that video attachment. In addition, you can always review your turning in matching. You'll notice that the student sample says 95% matching, and that was just because it matched the content from the web. The student sample was our proofreading exercise that was borrowed from like a Huffington Post article. So it's up to you to go through and to read your feedback, whether the feedback is listed in View Feedback here, whether you've got attached files. Everybody should have a couple minutes of audio or video. And in addition, go to Show Rubric. In the Show Rubric, you get to see, based on every category, how well you did. And within those, under each category, sometimes I left notes if I felt like notes were needed, and then under some categories, I did not. But you can see that as well and get a sense of how you did on each category. This is really important information, and you need to go through this in depth, because remember, we've moved from essay 1, which was narrative, no research, into a research-oriented class. And this is going to be what's going to take up our time, more research with argument for essay 3. So you really have to spend the time looking at this feedback and come to class with questions that I can answer. If you have questions privately about your grade, we need to do that in a conference. I don't want to do that in front of the class to keep your privacy intact. But reach out, let me know if you have questions. I look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow. Make sure, by the way, that you're also within the modules. We've got a lot of reading going on because we're moving into argument. So for week 9's class, you've got the argumentative essay overview, how to write the research question and thesis statements, in addition to reading about American popular music and the 1619 project. Remember, this is a 6-hour week class in a regular 15-week setting. We're in 12 weeks. So you have a lot to do to prepare for tomorrow's class. Wish you great luck. Email me if you have any questions. And don't forget to write your weekly homework before our class meeting. And that's just responding to these texts with questions and thoughts. Okay? See you soon.